Fountain of Dreams.
Here we go.
Good.
Fountain of Dreams.
The futon of dreams.
The futon.
Alright, here we go.
The futon of dreams.
Whoops.
Whoa.
Wow, that's a nice combo. Very
My
nice
second
combo.
jump! Where did that? It didn't work.
Almost 0 to death if that
Yeah.
7% didn't exist. That on-hit canceling session.
I wanted to up B!
I'm just gonna pose a question here. So, has Lucario's neutral air hit like anyone in the history of forever?
Depends which one. And yes, it's his main film. See?
Now it's hit.
Oh, I did that early. What?
Wedges don't exist, right?
Yeah.
I'm Project M.
Dang it.
Yeah, that's what I get when I finally use my damn adapter and I have frame lag whenever I play online. Oh, I did that early again.
Oh wow, that's a nice multi-hit. Almost got the shine.
Come on!
I nearly air dodge.
Oh
No!
wow, that was a very nice big ass war sphere. Now you got no glowy ball sack on your hands anymore. Whew! It's pretty heated in here.
Well, I am sweating in fact.
Oh,
Very stressful game. You jumped onto the next platform with your up smash. GG.
damn it. There we go. Let's go.
No recovery.
No!
Almost got the Lucario bitch slap. It's just like 2 feet away.
First match goes to me. Second
I'm
match.
just doing so bad right now.
You can counterpick. I would go Yoshi's Story if I were you. Just a recommendation. Oh, okay.
Dreamland is like a, you know,
Big ass. Oh, I see.
bigger
why.
version of Yoshi's Story from Melee. Like a vastly bigger stage. Exact same platforms and positioning,
What the hell?
but overall larger. I can't wait for a 3.6 update. HD
They haven't
remake of
given
Saffron
it up
City
yet.
and that the HD remake of Mushroom Kingdom. Also, Melee Battlefield, Super Mario Galaxy stage, alternate, and Bowser's Castle. Hey Sora, after this match, look what I sent you on Skype. That knockback though.
Wait.
Oh!
It's my ledge, bitch!
Fucking charge head first into the ledge. big ass Sora sphere.
I was hoping that tree would have made me run faster.
I was hoping the tree would have maybe made the projectile faster.
I'm dead. I'm getting some frame lag here. I don't know why. Like, I don't want to have Johns right now, but I'm literally having frame lag.
I was lagging earlier.
Yeah, it takes like half a
while it
second.
was paused, but you know.
It takes like half a second for my intro to come out, which sucks.
No.
Nice.
Oh!
It. Don't you wish that your thing being canceled wouldn't consume a charge? Because you're just kind of. Oh, here comes Wispy Woods.
Shut up.
Shut up, dude.
I'm trying to hit a 4-spawn kill here. It's probably not gonna happen, so.
Oh! The reeds, though.
What? Why'd that hit through him? Yeah, I can't cancel this stuff. This rumbling is like so fucking distracting.
Then turn the rumble pack off, am I right?
No, not the rumbling of it. Oh, yeah. What?
Largest ceiling of any stage.
So cool, right? Hey, rat!
The perfect shield reflects!
Wait, my oh!
Yeah, you perfect shielded at the right
Let's just
time
say
and
that
it reflected
I meant Let's just say that I meant to.
Sounds like a pretty good idea. Because you were right next to him at the same time he reflected it and you shield.
Stop rolling everywhere! Holy crap!
Sorry.
Can't even punish this. Look at that!
Well, second match goes to me.
1-1.
Returning to base.
I think.
Three, two, one, go!
Don't spike me.
Can't let you do that, Star Fox.
Damn it!
I can't attack.
What?
I can't attack.
That's great.
Can't let you do that, Star Fox.
What is with this map is tiny.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I chose it.
Also, that's why Biz chose this stage for the level 9 Ganondorf challenge. 9 handicap. Because it's a very small stage with a small
went on
spec.
high roll level, so.
That was the biggest mistake.
This actually sounds kind of easy.
Whoa!
How do you dash attack? I mean, I get I do it too, but that's just because mine's a knockback.
Ugh.
No.
Oh, you should have up smashed there.
I was trying to.
Inputs just aren't to save these days.
Roll everywhere.
Dang it.
Oh wow, that was
My second jump.
holy
Dang
shit!
it. Mistake.
I just noticed that Sora hasn't shined or neutral bead once.
You're not really supposed to shine in the world. Shine. I think I may actually lose this.
I don't.
Oh, that shine almost.
My hands are so damn sweaty. What the hell?
Oh,
What? Randall.
Randy. Thank you. Thank you, base Randy, for save. And the save wasn't in vain. Maybe.
What?
Oh. No knockback? Question mark? Oh,
What?
there it is. Oh, just kind of
Stop.
put your hands to the sky. Wait. Yeah, Wolf just said something.
Yep. That was 1v1 versus Spensa. Good fight. Now it's time for Ice Grab.
Good Josh.